for our mountains and rolling hills, rivers and fresh air, dynamic city, and access to everything we need. Family-friendly culture, delicious food, and attractive way of living. I wish to live here until I retire. A place I know will help me succeed, help me grow a beautiful family, a place I can call home that welcomes progress, but stay true to its values. Many have asked me what is important in a town I wish to live in. Pramestha has all that I want: to live well, work well, play well. Pramestha Mountain City is next to Bandung amidst its beautiful surroundings. A mountain city, unlike any other you have ever seen before. It is already known for well-designed homes, nestled into the lush natural hills, attracting urban dwellers and professionals, and becoming a new, integrated living hub. Embracing the valley to the north, Pramestha Mountain City is building people's dreams for new concept of livable, inclusive, green township, immersing active wellness into all of its features. Homes here are designed to embrace nature that surrounds them, bringing light, air, vegetation in, from outdoors to indoors. From compact landed homes to spacious family units, in mid-rises and towers, in mixed-use downtown to cliffside riverfront villas, I can live comfortably and be close to family-friendly amenities and my workplace. We even have unique living region where one can immerse into an integrated wellness programs to eat healthy, rejuvenate, and be active. This mountain city is truly home to all ages. To all strata of economy, supporting healthy lifestyle of today and tomorrow. Of course, this is a place I want to advance to be a productive citizen that I wish to be. With well-connected workplace to natural surroundings. A nearby place where I can take a break and rebound. Retail Village is only a stone throw away from our beautiful waterfront. Cultural town center and cliffside corridors of commercial and residential adorn our green streets. An educational center is key to our amenities and place to grow from within. A place like this, with beautiful valley, waterfront, and lush ridges only calls for us to enjoy them in more meaningful ways. My children can enjoy edutainment centers specifically designed with nature in mind. My spouse and I can discover more of the region, from active to pure contemplative. Those are beautifully designed even for when I grow much older than today. A place like this can be a proud home to me and others like me, only when we appreciate and respect the soul of that place. Pramestha city is home to me. It is workplace to me. It is a leisure place for me. Because it invests in my future, and so I can dream away and realize them soon.